How to half swipe on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can half swipe on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To half swipe on Snapchat, you can open the Snapchat app and just come to the chat page. First of all, let us discuss what half swipe means. Half swipe simply means that you want to view someone's message by simply swiping but without letting them know that you've seen the message. Now, the trick to do this is very simple. You have to see two things over here. One is the profile pictures, one is the profile name. So if you swipe right from the profile name, it actually loads up Snap Map. So that's not what we want to do. So you can see, now if you want to view the messages, what you have to do is swipe right from the profile picture and then you should be able to see the message. So if it is a long message, you want to scroll and then you want to make sure to take it back to its original position. You can actually just swipe all the way to the right hand side until you can see the message yourself and simply take it back. But what you don't want to do is, if you swipe right, you don't want to actually release the fingers like this, because then they will know that you've read the messages. So what you want to do is simply swipe right like this, scroll all the way that you can to the very edge, read the messages as much as you can, and then take it back to its original position, and that should definitely help you solve the issue. This way you can half swipe on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.